On this station, we are showing our new teach pendant and new software for our robot control. New, it's communication. We changing communication from glass fiber to the Ethernet communication to make this product cheaper for our customers. In that retrofit, we modified our teach pendant. So what is on the back side, we have new release buttons for left and right hand. We have additional buttons on the bottom. We had one hand thread, a better feeling on the teach pendant. And on the top, we have now one USB port for doing backups, for doing updates, and also we can connect the keyboard. We had one key switch for changing the operation modes. That means now we can changing between T1, T2 and automatic directly on our teach pendant. We add one LED inside the teach pendant to get a light in dark areas. We added one main feature in our software to make it a programming list as easy as we can get. For this, we see here on the monitor, first we have to add in a name. Then automatically the system shows us some samples of weld forms in relation to our weld application. So we add in here the fillet weld, we have a lap weld in here, corner weld and a butt weld as well. Let's say the operator will weld a fillet seam, and the fillet seam will be welded in the horizontal vertical position PB. The throat thickness should be 4 mm. It's all the inputs what we need, and after apply the settings, automatically we get a welding list and we can start with this weld parameter on your real part. And you are also available to modify your parameters as good as you want.